Pandemic is over. We still have a problem with COVID. We're still doing a lot of work on it. But the pandemic is over.
In an interview that aired on 60 Minutes Sunday night, President Biden with a big declaration: the COVID-19 pandemic has ended. But just days ago, the World Health Organization, which initially declared the pandemic in March of 2020, said otherwise.
The pandemic itself is not over.
The virus has killed over 1 million Americans, and there are still hundreds dying every day nationwide. President Biden making the off-the-cuff statements at the Detroit Auto Show, adding, quote, "No one's wearing masks and everybody seems to be in pretty good shape." At an event Monday morning in Hamilton Heights, the Health and Human Services Secretary tried to clarify what Biden meant.
I believe the president made it very clear. COVID's still here. We just have to make sure we're smart.
Being smart includes getting vaccinated and boosted. But with Biden declaring COVID over, does that give a false sense of security and less of an incentive to continue safety protocols?
The president's job really is to be our optimist in chief. I can tell you loud and clear from the public health community, there certainly is not a consensus that we've entered an endemic phase.
Dr. Anthony Santella, professor of public health at Fairfield University, says now is not the time to let our guard down. The battle is in a new phase, that of personal responsibility, risk assessment, and keeping up with vaccinations.
It is the president's job to keep the American public abreast of what's going on. I think he jumped the gun a little bit. He probably kind of spoke without thinking.